How to apply Target Circle offers in app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can apply for Target Circle offers on apps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to apply for Target Circle offers on app, all you have to do is simply go here and first of all launch the Target app here. Once you launch the Target app, you're going to see this type of interface where if you're on the Discover page, right over here you'll find Target Circle offers, where you just need to tap on it. You'll be able to see all of the Target Circle offers right now. You have 25% off here, 5% gift card, and basically you have any of the other offers that you can find over here, and all you need to do is just click the Get Started button, click on the Join Free option, and then you'd have successfully joined the Target Circle offer and then applied for it. This way you can go ahead and then apply for Target Circle offers on app. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.